pursuing pharmacy. I have to introduce myself. I'm Anju Verma from Chhattisgarh, Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University. Currently, I am pursuing pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy.
आइएगा तो क्लियर हो जाएगी.
Hello, this is Ashiti Singh from Nagpur, Chhattisgarh. My college name is Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University. I'm glad to be here. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kaju Pandey and I'm representing my university, Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University. I would like to thank to the organizing team of Dimapur as well as to the ministry for such a lovely lunch at Naidhur Resort. Thank you so much, and I hope all the 3 days here will be blessed as of now. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Priyanka Singh Naruka. I'm from Jayanar Vyas University, Jodhpur, and I'm feeling very blessed to be here. The environment is so pure and peaceful. Just coming here gives you a warmth in your heart, and I'm so grateful. I'm enjoying with you beautiful people. Thank you.
मतलब वो पुराना गवर्नमेंट जॉब वाला
Introduction.
My name is Anup Manchwar. I live in Nagpur, Maharashtra. And I just landed in Dimapur. From Dimapur airport, we were taken by her to this beautiful resort. The name of this resort is Nyathu Resort. It's in Dimapur, Nagaland, not very far from airport. It's spread on a sprawling campus. It has a lot of facilities, and it's aesthetically beautiful. Swimming pool, music, good food, excellent, and the weather is also beautiful today. So and not just me, but along with me, these 10-15 students, they are also enjoying. We have come here from different parts of India. We have been invited for International Tourism Mart, so it's a great opportunity. And I must also thank all the people involved in this, especially the Ministry of Tourism who took this initiative, and all the supporting agency, for example Association of Indian Universities, and the support staff like my friend you and Esther and other friend Joseph and all. You people are working very hard to make it a great success. Thank you so much.
Now I'm Priyatesh from University of Jammu, and I have been part of this kind of festival since 2014. I have been participating in National Youth Festival, which are being organized by Ministry of Youth Services and Sports every year. So this time I was the luckiest one to get an opportunity to represent my university. You can see state because I am the only one who is representing JNK over here. So it's a really great opportunity, and we are here to learn and to gain experience, because ultimately students from different part of the country, they are representing, and the concept, the vision that Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, and the promotion of tourism or any other thing that will be there, but that is entirely different thing. But ultimately we are going to learn a lot here. So this is a learning process, and I am thankful to my university, my VC, and all the supporting staff, and the way we are welcomed here. And I pay my salute to all those who are working behind the pardas, who are working behind the curtains, because they are the real guiding factor of this event, and they are the one who will make this event a mega event. And I think the idea, the whole perspective that Ministry of Tourism in association with Ministry of Youth Services and Sports have kept in mind, that they are going to make this northeastern area as a hub of tourism. So I think that will be visualized very soon. So that's it. Thank you very much.
Hey, I'm Aditya. I'm from Kochi University of Science and Technology, straight from Kochi, Kerala, and we have travelled a lot. And the moment we entered Nagaland, it's kind of different vibes which we get. So vibrant people, and I must mention about the hospitality which they extend. It's great, and I'm pretty much sure I'll take back my family once again and be back over here. It's just as mentioning, it was just a trailer, and the movie is back yet to complete. But till the trailer, it was awesome. That's it.
And I'm from Kochi University of Science and Technology, Kochi. I'm a final year law student. And speaking about this trip, it was an amazing experience from the start itself. And after whenever we enter in Nagaland, it's actually a visual hospitality. It's a visual treat. Its hospitality is very good, and the Naga people, their culture, everything was superb. And we are looking for more experiences in the coming days.
Hello. First of all, I would like to thank you all for such a warm welcome. And the place is really nice, and we are really happy being here. We are going to learn a lot of things, and we are looking forward to this festival. This festival is going to be a very learning particle, and it's going to be very exciting. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ashna. I'm so much looking forward to what Nagaland has for me. It is a beautiful place, a beautiful city. I like Dimapur. I'm so much waiting for what to see in Kohima. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much.
Who hasn't spoken?
We have.
Excuse me, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Vandana Singh from National University, Varanasi, and this is my first tourism from my whole life, and this is so much awesome and gorgeous place. I just want to come another time this place, and this is so grateful.